It's an exciting place to be. The Tech Show, it's buzzing with technology and ideas.
Well, as you can see, it's ridiculously busy. This is the best place to go. Put your foot forward and really get out and speak to your peers.
I've been amazed by the scale of it and also the content in all of the speaker panels.
The show is beyond expectations. We couldn't be more thrilled both by the volume of attendees as well as the variety of conversations we're having.
A lot of the contacts that I've been trying to contact at home have actually been here, and I'm meeting a lot of people that I've been trying to contact for quite a while.
It's quite nice to see more women here, and I'm looking for even more opportunities to meet other women. It's quite encouraging.
I always get such great audience feedback when I come to these shows, which is why I stand up here.
We're all facing the same challenges and going through the same problems. It's really important to share experience.
It's about best practice, it's about getting new ideas, and it's about learning from each other.
Large audience, attracted the right people, very engaged, lots of questions at the end as well.
People really like to engage with the people that we have on the panel. We get the stalwarts of the industry, but also the new upstarts who are coming through, which is great for everyone.
I've absolutely loved every single minute of it. Would I come back next year? Well, I mean, it's a given.
We love the mixture of the crowd. This is like an amusement park for technologies.
The future can be anything! Come on!